So just a quick wee video on the SX4, guys. My oil pan is leaking, and I was under there. I'm not sure I can wrestle that oil pan out without dropping the forward section of the exhaust here, the catalytic to the intermediate pipe, not the manifold itself, but just down line here. And can you see the state? I'm sure if you can see the nuts here. There's 3 of them. I've already done 2 of them. I've managed to remove the existing nuts. Yeah, not much left of them. You can see the nut here. It's just corroding into oblivion. And of course, these are a high temp area, of course, and they kind of get tempered and brittle, and they start falling apart on you pretty quickly. So you can see I've actually used an extractor kit. And this is the point of the video here, guys. I don't know if you guys have ever used these extractors. Man, I should have bought these things 20 years ago. They've been on the market a long time, but being the cheap bastard I am, I just didn't get around to really using them. I had some structure to replace on the car, and I had no choice. The nuts were absolutely bitched. So the shortcoming, of course, is by the time you're done with this, the nut that you're going to remove, or the bolt, whatever the case may be, is just destroyed, right? So make sure you have some new nuts on hand. So let me just set things up here, and it's all about really getting in the right position, right angle, right extensions, and then the right application of torque with an impact gun. Let's see if I can make a fool of myself and get this one extracted. First things first, guys, those are 14mm nuts. Make sure, of course, you get the right extractor, although you might have to downsize it depending on just how badly corroded the nut or the bolt actually is. So I'm going to tap this into place with a hammer just to get it started, to get a good bite on it, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so again, it's all about actually getting the right angle of the dangle here, guys. Let's see if I can zoom that up a bit so you can see what's happening. Try and get it on a nice angle so you can get it on as square as possible. That's convenient. A gap there, so I'll tap that into place with my hammer. I'll be able to show you that. Well, maybe. So it should go without saying, guys, scrub the threads, ideally with a power tool, and then full application of your choice of penetrating oil. Ideally on the fastener. Jesus. Steaming up. Steaming up. Many extensions as you need to get comfortable. Good. Even better, you don't lose the nut. There's the, you're just not getting that out, right? With a standard socket, look at the state, and it's pretty tight, rusted on there. It's been on there for 17 years. So yeah, I really can't say enough about these guys. You might go out and buy a brand name one, even better, right? This is just a cheap Chinese. I don't sell anything, guys. Go and buy what you want, but I wish I had bought these 20 years ago. I really do. This is, you see guys talk about the tools that was a revelation for them, and you think, selling some rubbish, right? Well, in this case, this thing has saved me. I've only had them a short time, and it has saved me a lot of work on more than one occasion already. So I have all the nuts back installed there, guys. Torqued back up, anti-seize, so that I can get them loose in the near future should I have to. Contingency in the event I need the gasket that goes into that joint. There's the part number. Pro part number anyway. And in case you're playing along at home, this is the size of the nuts. M10 1.25. Right, that's that, boys. Cheers.